Hey guys, what's up? Zach with Stupid Cool Diecast here. With episode 3, I think. Yeah, episode 3, part 2. This build was a nightmare. I wanted to do something off the wall, but I just could not make it click. I got the McLaren done, but the other one, I hacked it up, couldn't do nothing with it, so I put in the new Ford GT, and this is my Christmas build from the diecast graveyard Christmas build off. I'm entering this one in. I painted it blood red. Yeah, my windshield's a little. Santa hit a snow bank and got snow all over it. But I changed the tires on it. There's little black accents in there if you can see. But yeah, in this one, the McLaren P1, I mixed a blue and a red. I mean, let's see where's right here. I mixed these two, the blood red and the marine blue, and I got this crazy looking, like maroonish purple looking car. But I JB welded the sides, smoothed out the sides. I made the top solid, put JB weld up there, and that's about it. I think this one came out good. The only thing that really was a complete nightmare was the paint, and just the whole idea that nothing would click in my head. What I wanted to do didn't work. So, but I got those done, and that's what I'm entering in the Christmas build. But the Pontiac update is I got a couple GTOs done. I got this blue one, which is the marine blue. I left the chrome on it with the white interior. Then I painted this Firebird. Got a big old twin turbo motor in it. Some black rims. And I painted the bottom black. Then this is the hot rod. This is the hot rod I was working on, guys. I finally got it done. Tell me what you guys think. Got painted the motor, black belt, black carburetor, or red carburetor cover, red header covers, and a satin gold. I did a satin gold. Yes. I got this motor from a place called Benchworks. Some of you guys probably heard it already. But I got a bunch of little motors from Benchworks. You know, and they're actually really, really nice. They came in a timely manner, and it's just a really cool product. Again, the Benchworks, go check them out. Then these two, I'm throwing these in the stripper. I already have one of them stripped. I just don't know what I'm gonna do with them yet. Kind of a creative block, I guess you would call it right now. I hate when that happens. So, but then I also got decals. I got some USA, some America ones. I got some skulls. Right here, I got my logo Stupid Cool Diecast. We got the name and more logos. So I'm gonna definitely have fun with those for sure. But yeah, I just wanted to throw out a video right now before Christmas, because I'll be going out of town for a couple of days. Again, I wanted to enter in this as my Christmas build. I don't know if I'm late or what, but this is what it is. If Santa had a sports car, I think he'd be driving a Ford GT. So I just wanted to wish you guys a very Merry Christmas, a Happy New Year, stay safe, stay humble, and have a good Christmas. Bye.